What's up, future fighters? We are back. I am uploading the second video in today's series. We just got done in that video testing the AI in game, and it worked great. Now we want to make sure that when the move gets executed, that it's not having to run through any additional cycles to let go of this block button. We want to make sure that block breaker is pushed immediately. This is the block button here, and this is it being released. We want to make sure that this is pushed immediately without delay. Make this AI as efficient as possible. Just going to save my notes that I made in the first video. Those are up here. So once strike control is, once the move is chosen, and it doesn't matter where it's chosen from. It could be chosen from choose defense. It could be chosen from choose offense. Both of them are accessing strike control. You can see here is choose offense, accessing strike control. It's returning the move wherever it is called from. So let's just go into the code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to export all of the AI scripts so we can search through them very easily. And here they are. We're just going to search for script choose offense. Well, that's interesting. Where is this? Let's see here. Sorry, I'm just doing some searching here. This is weird. Current move. I guess it's not weird. I thought there'd be some parameter passed here, but it looks like that's old school. We took that out, it looks like, because if you notice, we're at the top of the file. Well, sorry, now we are. And there is no parameter. There's no parameter here. There's no parameter here. No parameter here. And this is a definition of it. These are just messages. Yeah, that's it. Wow, how interesting. So this is this used to be the way we did it before. I remember that because we fixed that, and it's kind of awesome. And that's just one of those benefits that you find later when you go back and look. It's like, oh man, I was setting all this manually. That sucks. You know, now the AI just does it automatically, and that's what you want. That's why we did all this work. So we're gonna take this out. Wow, that's crazy. We used to do all that manually. So no parameters. We're just gonna save that. Awesome. So it's so basically the only two places, let's go back to the top. Top. The only two places it's chosen, are the script AI, which is the main AI thinking, and then end combo, which is what you're looking at right here. Those are the only two places that it's chosen. So we'll do both in turns. So you're coming here once you've chosen it, choose offense. This is obviously, you can see how far it's indented. It's the end. It's gonna kick out and come back, and it's gonna come back with move number 6. And button 4 is gonna be 0 at that point. You're gonna hit this first and say no. You're gonna hit this next, and you're gonna say no. You're gonna hit this next, and let's just say that, well, let's do both. Let's say you hit in here, and the person, you gotta, the opponent's in the gravity stream, so you gotta chase them. You're gonna release any buttons anyway here. If not, you're gonna press forward. But block 4 is gonna be, or your block is gonna be released. And then if there was a threat present, you're going to release everything, and if there is no threat present, you're going to execute combo. And when you go into execute combo, you're basically going to, so this is if move forward is pressed. So you're releasing that. And then you're doing the combo. And then and no matter what, you're doing the combo. And that kicks it here. And this is where the buttons are actually pressed, you can see. So it would be released in that instance. Correct. Okay, then how about end combo? And this is going to be a similar, oop, cancel. Save that. Defense. Okay. So how about end combo? Let's check that. So here it would be from end combo, and just to check make sure choose defense. Is all in the same place. So there it is in end combo. They're just messages. So the only place choose defenses is enacted is here in end combo. Those are just messages. Okay. So so what I'm saying is it's going to work the same here as it is with choose offense. So we just have to find out where end combo is called. So of course for countering, we've gone over that before in previous videos. You can go to the Making Future Fighter playlist and see those. That's a message. So that's in the main AI sequence. We're always releasing, if you notice, different than up here, because you don't want to be releasing buttons. And this is main sequence. This is main sequence. This is main sequence. This is main sequence. So yeah, that's all looking good. And you can see end combo is extremely important script where it's being called from. Bottom line is wherever you go next in end combo. So here we are at the top. So for example, in this case, this is the do combo, and we'll bring that up. So you're coming out of this, and here's your end combo here, and here's your end combo here, and that is so this is after you've done your combo completely. And if you're in the combo escape sequence, which is what move 10 is, that's what that signifies. And you get triggered out of it, you're gonna end combo right there. So that might be something to test. Think about that. So you're gonna trigger out of that, probably into a counter attack, most likely, because that's gonna send you to choose defense, right? Because if you're in case 10, you're going to go to choose defense. Okay. And then, let's see here. And then, otherwise, if you're not in that move, if you're just ending a combo and you're done, that is going to put you here, and you're going to default, and you're going to go into either choose offense or choose non-strike move, which kicks you back to the main sequence here. And you'd be here, and then you'd be going through again. So you definitely want to make sure. So that button is set to 0. It does look like it works and work. So good. So one of the things that we can think about doing is displaying what buttons are held down on each message, so that we can view it at every step of the way. That's something we might actually continue adding to the AI messages for sure. And if you like that, go to docbrockgames.com and check out the alpha version of the game. You can see the current features I have in the game, the 2 motion captured characters that are currently playable in the game, the motion captured moves, characters, and features in action, and then put your email address in at the bottom, and I'll let you know when the game comes out. Then you got to come back to YouTube, because we have more AI to make. I'll see you there.